You will sell everything you plant. And you know exactly how much you're getting. What's the best way to buy your purple hull pea? $48. It's the same price, people. Not everybody wants a bushel. That's a lot of peas. See who comes out on top in the end. Exactly 5 pounds. That's 5 pounds of peas. You're gonna be surprised. There's an age-old question that has eluded mankind. The question of how should I buy my purple hull peas? Should I buy them by the pound? Should I buy them by the bushel? Should I buy them shelled? Should I buy them unshelled? What's the best deal I can get on a purple hull pea? We're gonna answer that question today. Right here behind me, I've got 25 pounds of purple hull peas in the shell, 25 pounds. That right there is considered a bushel basket. That full, when you see them online, so much a bushel, that's that thing there full of unshelled purple hull peas. Now, we're not a large farm. I'm a small, if I even call myself a farm, as far as purple hull peas, I plant probably a 1/4 acre. I plant them by hand. I hand pick them. It's a nightmare, but I do it anyway because people love them. I sell them all. It's one of them things you can plant and you don't have to worry about selling. You will sell everything you plant. We sell ours by the pound. We sell them by the pound unshelled and by the pound shelled. People message us all the time on a bushel of peas. Well, a bushel of peas could be anywhere between probably 18, a little over 20 pounds. So to be fair and to be honest and to be exact, we just sell by the pound. You know exactly how much you're getting. There's no cheating. There's no weighing the scale one side or the other. You get exactly that much. That's the way I like to do it. That's the way we do it. So today we're going to compare prices and we're going to compare weights to see what's the best way to buy your purple hull pea. Shelled, unshelled, bushel basket by the pound. I'm gonna weigh that bushel basket, then I'm gonna fill it up, and then I'm gonna weigh that bushel basket again to see how many pounds is actually in a bushel. Empty bushel basket weight. Almost 2 pounds. 1 3/4 pounds. All right, let's fill it up. I'm gonna say that's full. It's sticking about that much past the top. Usually when I see them on the photo, it's a little heap right on the top. It's never flat, it's a little heap right on the top. That's what I got right there. Let's weigh it. Can you see that? 17.5 pounds. Take off, say a pound, it was 1 3/4 pounds, take off, let's say you take off 1.5 pounds, 16 pounds per bushel. A lot of people sell them for $45 a bushel. We sell ours for $3 a pound. So I got my calculator. 16 times 3 equals $48. $48. We are $3 more on the pound price than on the bushel price if you get them stacked a little high. A bushel can vary now. Pound is dead money. Bushel can vary. That might be 15 pounds, that might be 17 pounds. But we're pretty much on the money on our pound rate Although people jump up and down when I tell them 20 pounds is 60 bucks. Oh my God, I can get them for $45 a bushel down the road. It's the same price, people. I don't want to explain it. If you want them by the bushel, go down the road. It's just easier for us to sell them by the pound. If you want 5 pounds, you want 2 pounds, you want 10 pounds, you want 12 pounds, we can put however many you want in a basket. It just makes it so much easier than a bushel price. Not everybody wants a bushel. Some people just want 5 pounds to shell to make them a meal. Some people want 10. Some people, I've had people come in and buy, a man yesterday bought 3 5-pound shelled bags, which is 15 pounds of shelled peas. That's a lot of peas. And he was tickled pink, left, never said a word, happy as could be. So now, let's go from should you buy them shelled or should you buy them unshelled? Do you save any money? Are you wasting your time shelling them? A lot of people just like to shell them. I'm glad for them. I'll sell them that way. But let's see who comes out on top in the end. I'm gonna weigh out, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounds in this bag. This bag don't weigh nothing. And let's see what we get. I'm gonna make it exactly 5 pounds. Exactly 5 pounds of unshelled peas. Let's take them to the pea sheller. Here's the 5 pounds, here's a pea sheller, there's a buck gonna catch them. I started running a few through, to be honest with you, before I realized I didn't start the camera. But let's run them through and see what we got. I'm gonna go through here. A couple fell in there. I want to make sure we get every one. I want to make sure we get every one counted. There we go. That's 5 pounds of unshelled peas, shelled. Generally, we sell our peas shelled. That's 5 pounds of peas, a gallon bag pretty much full. That you can freeze them, and that's a lot of meals. It's according if you eat them as a meal or eat them as a side, but I guarantee you that's probably 6, 7, 8 meals in there, just between 2 people. This right here we sell, this is roughly 1.5 pounds of peas, if you could see that. That's a $30 bag. And this is a $10 bag. If you just want a meal or 2 out of it to cook tonight, that's what you grab right there. We try to accommodate everybody. Anyhow, let's weigh these peas up and see what we have. This tub, I'll check it, but I believe it weighs 1 pound, if my memory serves me correct. But let's see. You're gonna be surprised. 5 pounds of unshelled peas in a bucket. The bucket weighs, I think, 1 pound. I'll check it. Just a little bit under 4 pounds of peas. So I'd say 3 pounds. So you get 5 pounds at $3 a pound would be $15. 3 pounds at $6 a pound would be $18. So really and truly, if you want to put in the time, you come off best buying them unshelled. You will gain roughly 1/2 pound or so it's according to how many pounds you buy, but on 5 pounds, you will gain roughly a half a pound of extra peas. Now, my shelling takes time. that's worth a few bucks. So I shell them. Yeah, you're going to pay a little more, but I've saved you the agony of running your finger down all them peas. Some people enjoy it, some people don't. Some people takes them back to their childhood when they used to sit on the porch and shell peas. So anyhow, to wrap up this age-old question, if you have the time and you want to shell them yourself, if you enjoy it, buy them in the shell. Now you can buy them by the bushel, by the pound. It's going to work out the same. Remember that. It's going to work out the same. I proved it on that scale right back there. But now me shelling peas, that takes a little time, you know, so I have to factor that in. So if you don't want to shell them, then you're going to lose about a half a pound per 5 pounds. Yeah, half a pound per 5 pounds. But I'm going to do all that work. I'm going to knock it out. You take them home. You just put them in your crock pot, however you want to cook them, and cook away. So thanks for watching. Come back and see me. Anything you want to ask, throw it in there. I'll answer it. If you ask a question, if you say anything, hi Joe, bye Joe, you kind of ugly Joe, I'm going to put you in the drawing for a free fat possum hat. So it's going to run for about a month. It's not going to run forever. So 1 month after this airs, I'm going to go through there. We're going to put them in a hat or something, and I'm going to pick a name out, and somebody's going to win a free possum hat. A free fat possum hat. All you got to do is say anything in the comments. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me.